Okay, 皆さん, I have just one more particle to introduce today. This is the particle de. So we use de in sentences like the following. 図書館で本を読みます。図書館で本を読みます。or 学校で昼ご飯を食べます。学校で昼ご飯を食べます。The de here, what do you think it's being used for? So, 本を読みます。図書館で本を読みます。昼ご飯を食べます。学校で昼ご飯を食べます。So, 図書館, the library, and 学校, the school. The particle de is being used to show the location where we do something. So the place where we do something, we mark with the particle de. Let's try it out. So we want to put in the location with the particle de, then what we're doing the action to, and then the action that we're doing. Let's take a minute to think about it. Okay, what do you think this first one might be? So first of all, where are we doing it? 図書館で新聞を読みます。いいですね。図書館で新聞を読みます。So I read the newspaper at the library. How about this one? うちで晩ご飯 because it's 7 p.m. so it's dinner, right? 晩ご飯を食べます。うちで晩ご飯を食べます。So I eat dinner at my house. So the most natural way to express this in Japanese is to show our topic. So, smiley-san wa, or watashi wa, location de, object o, and then the verb with mas. So, for example, Miyari-san wa uchi de ongaku o kikimasu. So, Mary-san listens to music at home. The topic is Mary-san. The location, uchi de, the object, ongaku o, and then the verb, kikimasu. So now we can make all kinds of sentences in Japanese telling where we do something and what we do there.